Hey guys, I'm host Tekmo. I'm back with another video. So in this video I will unboxing this thing. So this mic. Actually here we can see that it's called musical instrument. So techlicióus musical instrument. So this thing came from Amazon Prime. So it's from Amazon. I added in Amazon. So first of all, let's unbox this thing. So in this box we'll get this aux cable, and another thing is this thing. So it is packed neatly in this. So you can see here it's packed nicely. So here in aux cable there is an instruction manual also. So I will show you. See this aux cable, and here we find something surprising, instructions. So use this for instructions how to use this man. So let's throw this aside. So after unboxing you will get this thing. So you can see here these are mic which are unboxed today. So it's a 1 meter mic. So after that its quality is pretty poor, and you should connect it to here so you will get nice quality. So I will make another video how to record a voice, vocal with crystal clear. So I think this much.